Hey guys, how's it going? We got a quick video here today for you. Here inside the S300, and it's my mom's car. Noticed an interesting problem yesterday. She just got home, so we're full of temperature, engine heat, and all that. So we got a problem with our turn signals. That side's good. What? There it goes. So, typically, when that happens, when it's blinking fast like that, means there's a bulb burnt out. And we can tell by cheating a little bit. By looking into the reflection of my truck, it's definitely not the front. So let's go check the back. Oh. And sure enough, that's out. This is an extremely easy procedure which you can do yourself. All you need is a pair of pliers. I have these because this is all I could find quickly. You want to locate this little critter in the back here. You want to loosen her up like so. It's not going to take a lot of torque. Set that out of the way. That'll grant you access back here. You will see two more of those critters. So what you got to do is you got to untwist those and disconnect the wiring loom, and the taillight will pop right out. So let's get you guys on a perch here. That ought to do it. Yep. Okay. So there's one right here and one up here. This one was loose already, which is always a good thing. Both are hand tight, which is what we want. Now, this thing, there's a red tab here. I don't know what you guys can see, a red tab that slides out. And it should be, and then it unplugs. So you have this little, so you got this red tab that's, assuming you don't drop it, that slides into place to lock it. Now, all you gotta do is pull her out like that, and you have a loose taillight. Alright, now once you have the lens out, you have access to the bulbs. The top one is your brake and turn signal, I believe. And in fact, we see that the filament is blown. See if we can zoom in on that. Yep, as you can see, the filament is in fact blown. It's well, it's right there actually. So we have new bulbs that we're gonna put in. We got two new bulbs here. You're supposed to do these in pairs, but I don't. You don't have to. The hardest part is keeping track of where your where the old bulb is. Or I should say the new bulb. So, I'll try to set you guys up here somewhere. This assembly is quite easy. All you gotta do, pull the old one out, chuck it somewheres, take your new bulbs. These are just whatever I got from the auto parts stores. Nothing special. Now what I like to do is I like to not touch the new bulb, because I don't want the oils from my skin to possibly heat up the bulb, causing it to burn out any faster. All I gotta do, pop the new one in like so. Put her back in and twist till she locks, and that's all you gotta do. Now we gotta put this lens back into its housing. So installation is the reverse of the original steps. Alright. So what you gotta do is you gotta make sure that everything is lined up. So that square for the loom goes there, the top peg goes there. There's even a little guide pin right here. And it's in. Now, we got to return back here to our carpet menagerie. Yeah, back here, remember, and take these critters. And I like to hold the light for security, the lens, just so it doesn't go flying out on me. And finger tighten them. There's one. There's number two, goes way up here. Now, let's not forget about the wiring loom. Plug it in, and hit the red tab to lock her in place. Oops. Here's this red tab I keep talking about. It pops out and pops back in to lock. Now, put the carpeting back. Take our third critter here. And I like to try to tuck this carpeting back kind of where it was. Not always going to get it, but it just looks neater. There you go. Reinstalled. Here's the old bulb, which is burnt. Now, the test. Oops. Front works. And so does the rear. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's how you change a taillight bulb on a 06 Chrysler 300.